Hello, I'm Marcus, and today I'm going to talk about the Devonian period. Laying so close to the equator meant that the climate of the Devonian was warm. The warm temperatures made life on land particularly good for the plants. They developed vascular tissues to carry water and food through roots and leaves. The most important development was the seed. Now plants were not dependent on the presence of water for reproduction, and they could move further inland. Ferns and the first trees began to cover the land. Significant changes in this world geography took place during the Devonian. During this period, the world's largest land was collected into two supercontinents, Gondwana and America. These vast land masses lay relatively near each other in a single hemisphere. While the vast ocean covered the rest of the globe, these supercontinents were surrounded on all sides by subduction zones. With the development of the subduction zone, Gondwana and America, a major collision was set in motion that would bring the two together to form a single world continent, Pangaea. The continents of North America and Europe collided, resulting in a massive granite intrusion and the raising of the Appalachian Mountains of eastern North America. Vigorous erosions of these newly uplifted mountains yielded the great volumes of sediment, which were deposited in vast lowlands and shallow seas nearby. Extensive reef building producing some of the world's largest reef complexes. These were built in the equator, seas between the continents. By the Devonian period, colonization of the land was rocky. Before this time, there was no organic accumulation in the soil. Therefore, the soil has a reddish color. The Devonian is also notable for the rapid diversity in fish. Benthic jawless armored fish are common by the lower Devonian. These early fish may include many varieties of different groups. Near the end of the Devonian, a mass extinction event occurred. Glaciers and the lowering of the global sea level may have triggered this crisis. Since the evidence suggested warm water marine species were most affected, meteorite impacts have also been blamed for the mass extinction, or changes in the atmospheric carbon dioxide. Both for its rapid diversity of fish, it also contains ferns, horsetails, and seed plants and produced the first trees and forests. That is why it's so important. I learned many things, like how the Devonian period consisted of so many varieties of creatures that once existed, and the vegetation of the Devonian that all started with a seed.